guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine and today we are back with another cruelty-free tea talk video. We are going to talk about Home Alone Remake, which has made a little bit of drama and sensation and talking, which is always good to talk. I am in the Christmassy spirit. I have my Christmas sweater on, prettiest sweater I have ever seen. I have messy hair, like people who know me know that my hair naturally is really messy, but don't worry, we are going to make the look and then we are going to make something work out of this. Be obviously cruelty free, all the products linked down below. Feel free to comment your opinion about the remake and Disney in general and what do you think and if you're going to watch the movie or not. And let's start the video. The story is that Disney created another remake. As we know, Disney have made a few remakes. I obviously needed to stain this sweater. The one that I remember the most is The Lion King, which was a great remake. I'm not saying anything bad about that when I went even to watch it in cinema because I love Lion King and I wanted to see like in a good quality. I have like really bad feeling of especially big corporations that already have millions of money that they can invest in something really good, really new, and they just choose to make remake. I don't know, that's like give me like bad vibes. Sometimes I feel like these corporations think that we are stupid. Well, as the last 2 years have shown that many people are. And that's why they keep doing it, just because we give them views, we give them ratings, we give them everything. So why trying if that works, if they don't get in problems with that? Why bother, you know? Like, they don't even care that we talk about it. It actually brings them more exposure. Disney in general gives me really bad vibes. First off, they launched some new movies, which I don't remember now which was it Mulan, I think, or something, or which I don't remember now, but they launched online as we were all in homes, obviously. You are already if you have Disney, you are already paying. I don't have Disney, I don't want to support them. But if you have and you pay them, asking money for that, and not just money, but hilariously high money, it was like $12 or something to see this one movie extra from the subscription you already pay. I want to see that person who paid that for one movie, which is not even going to cinema, which will be still expensive when to go to cinema, from your own home, paid that hilarious amount of money. I just want to see that person who will do something like that, because that's crazy to do. I don't know if I will have millions of dollars if I would do that, just because of the idea to support something like that. And not only that, not going to get into details so much about that, it's all like allegations and stuff, but Disney name has appeared in some court documents allegedly and stuff around some trial going on right now, really famous and horrible one, and other stuff about their past treatment of young kids. So Disney just gives me really weird vibes, and I think that's why like all this Hollywood and Disney thing, they just have ruined everything for me. Like all those actors in movies that I love, and I just can't see those movies anymore. It brings me such a disgusting vibes and energy. It's like Matrix. Literally, Matrix is real. Don't give them views. I already read also about the Home Alone. Some people are like,
yeah, I know that it's like really bad and I don't support it, but I'm just going to watch it to laugh.
Don't know.
That's like toxic anything, like influence or something. Some of them are going to view their YouTube for hate, but they don't care. They get the money of your hate, even dislike or comment or something. They get that money, and trust me, they don't care anymore. If they are so deep into this like really toxic world, they probably even do it for the hate. And all those corporations now, I think it's like they do it so noticeable, like you can see what they do. Like I don't know who don't see what they are doing, like all the horrible stuff. The only thing you can do is not give them any money. I want to especially let you know that I don't blame actors. For example, I don't know what's the name of the little actor, Kevin. I don't know if it's even his name in the movie. Well, it should be, right, if it's a remake. So I don't blame at all actors, obviously. I bet he did a great job. He did what he could possibly. The whole fault of people who had this horrible idea in general to make this movie and put those actors in that position. Home Alone got even hate for all the following parts up to the 5th part they have. I think 5 parts now. I don't know even. Even those got like kind of a hate. They knew that they are going to get this hate. The whole thing I just don't like. I'm not going to give it any view. I'm going to watch the old Kevin. I suggest everyone to watch only old Kevin. I am so curious to see what do you think about the whole thing. Let me know in the commentary if you are going to see it, if not, if they did it on a purpose. I'm just going to do the eyeliner now, and then I'm back, then we are going to do the kind of conclusion part, and then I do lips. So for the conclusion, I have an idea what should happen right now with all of this, and you will let me know if you love the idea or not. So I think what should happen is that Macaulay Culkin should produce a movie, well, not a remake obviously, but like a new one, which will be like next year, where he is the father and he has a son who will get in trouble kind of, or home alone, or whatever it could be, which could even happen like in some kind of funny way. Maybe the burglar also have a son or something like that, like some funny way that it would all come together and all that. Maybe even some touching story, and maybe they all become a family at the end. I don't know, whatever it could be, but like I think that would be a great idea, and I think just show and get all the views, and Disney would be just there not knowing what to do. What do you think? I actually have a feeling that even Macaulay Culkin don't want to get views, like old kind of views, you know, out of this. I think I will add a little sparkle there as well, just because I don't know, I don't like how it looks, and I knew that this will be dangerous look, that I could look like I'm sick or something, you know. I should have understood this when I saw the photo that I got the inspiration from, because the photo is so touched, like retouched. It looks like that woman is plastic. Her face look plastic, everything look really plastic. So I should have imagined this not really coming out as it should. Not really happy about that. I did hope it would turn out a little bit better than it actually did. But it is what it is. This is the final look. Let me give you some close-up. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked. Give it a thumbs up. Give it actually a like if you love the idea that I gave. Let me know everything you think about this topic in the commentary, and what should I discuss next in my next cruelty-free tea talks series, and subscribe to this channel for more cruelty-free and petite fashion. If you're petite, then you should follow this channel, because there are so many news coming up the new year, and I cannot wait to let you know about that. And see you guys next time. Bye.